Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. And I'm really excited because we now get to pull out the rest of the products from the Nutribox. A month late, unfortunately, but I really hope that you all enjoyed the travel vlogs.
It was really lovely to be able to take everyone along with us to Cardiff and Manchester. Even though really it did start off as leaving Cardiff, going to Manchester and then Cardiff afterwards.
Yeah.
But it was the easiest way for us to be able to do it with trying to edit everything, wasn't it?
It definitely was easiest.
But you've been really looking forward to knowing what's left in the Nutribox.
I have. If you haven't seen the videos that we're talking about, we'll link the holidays playlist up there.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Should we pull out 2 products now, Anne?
I think that's a great idea.
Oh, and also, hello from Sarah too.
She's a little bit tired because she's just had a lovely run in the park, hasn't she?
She has. Right, what first?
Dig deep. There's not a lot left, is there?
No, that one.
Ooh, well and truly crunchies, sea salt and cider vinegar. They sound nice.
They really do. That one.
Ooh, that is upside down. It's a fruit twist.
Oh, that sounds so good, doesn't it, Mum?
It does.
Should you try the crisps first and then the fruit twist?
I think that's a great idea. Ooh, there's a lovely smell from the crisp.
Oh, there is. They smell incredible. Here you go, Mum.
Thank you.
Ready?
I am.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, there's a lovely flavour.
You can really taste the cider vinegar, can't you, Mum?
You can. Is that just making sure they taste nice?
Wow, they're so good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
I'll say they're quite Moorish too.
They are very Moorish.
But should we try the fruit twist now?
I've got the fruit twist ready for you.
Thank you, Mum.
Yeah, okay.
It's perfect, Mum. Do you know why?
Because there's 2
2.
of them. I thought that when I opened them
You
as
go,
well. Ooh, thank you.
Ready?
I am.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they are amazing. They're so soft.
And really fruity too.
They really live up to the name of being a fruit twist.
They do. I thought they'd be quite chewy, but they're not. They're really, really soft.
They're really, really lovely.
They're quite refreshing too, aren't they?
They are. Definitely something to look out for again.
Just have to wait now a couple more days to put up some more snacks.
That's it. And then have to decide which box we'll get next.
Oh, I know. If you have any recommendations, please let us know in the comments.
That'd be great. It'd be really lovely to know about other vegan snack boxes to try.
Is that day again, Mum?
It is. But you're looking forward to seeing what there is in today's pick.
Me too.
There's not many left in there now, though.
No, no.
I think Sarah wants to help.
What to go for? That one.
Ooh, that's a Tribe protein flapjack.
Oh, that sounds so good, doesn't it,
It
Mum?
really does. I'll check the flavour in a minute.
And that one.
Love corn.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh, love corn. Smoked barbecue. That sounds really good.
It really does.
Let's see what flavour the...
Flapjack is?
Yeah. Raspberry.
Ooh.
So which one are you going to try first?
Should you go savoury first, Mum?
I think that's a great idea. I've opened the love corn for you.
Thank you, Mum. Smells amazing, doesn't it, Mum?
It was such a lovely smell when I opened the packet for you.
Here you go, Mum.
Ooh, thank you.
Oh. Lovely barbecue flavour.
It's a lovely smoky barbecue flavour.
We haven't had these for a while, haven't we?
We haven't.
Lovely though.
Let's try the flapjack now.
Yes,
There we
please. Oh, that smells incredible, doesn't it, Mam?
are. I couldn't believe how lovely the smell was when I opened it.
Here you go, Mam.
Oh, thank you.
Look good?
It looks amazing.
Smells amazing too.
It really does.
Mmm. What an amazing taste of raspberry.
It's really lovely flapjack. I don't think you're enjoying it that much. You going to enjoy it now then?
I really can't believe that in a couple of days we're pulling out the last product.
I know.
Already?
That's it. So then decide what we're going to do next, won't we?
We will. And tomorrow we're going to take Sarah out for a lovely free run, and we thought we'd take you all along with us.
I think that sounds fantastic.
I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between. And I'll be with you through the night. And I'll turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to play.
I really can't believe that today's the last day of the Nutribox, you Mam.
I really can't believe it's been a lot of fun to open this. It's been a lot of fun to pull things out over the last few months, hasn't it?
It really has. The last 3 products now.
I know.
What's that one?
That's some granola.
Oh, I think this will come in very handy in the future video, do you Mam?
I think it will do actually.
That one, Mam?
Oh, that's hot cross bun.
Ooh. And the last one. That one.
It's gone around, but I love corn again. Oh,
Ooh.
this one is sea salt flavour.
Oh, we love that one, don't we, Mam?
We do. So
Yeah.
which one are you going to try first?
Should we go for the love corn first again, Mam?
I think that's a great idea. Here we go. The love corn, and I put the hot cross bun next to you.
Thank you, Mam. You go, Mam.
Thank you. Oh, they're really good.
I love these so much, you Mam.
I do.
So good. Lovely and crunchy.
They are really crunchy. They're good.
They are. And I think Sarah's still quite tired from her walk.
She is still tired from her walk. Okay. It was a lovely smell when I opened them.
Smells incredible, doesn't it?
It does.
Here's the fruit, Mum. Oh, yeah.
They're really good. And all the flavours go so well together with the nuts and the fruit together.
They really do go so wonderfully well. And if you haven't seen the video from when we made our hot cross buns, we'll link it up there.
Oh, it's a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what you thought of all other products from the Nutribox over the past few months.
I think that's a great question.
And would also love to know if you have any recommendations for any other boxes for us to try.
That's really great. Always on the lookout for some different vegan boxes, aren't we?
We are. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too.
Yeah, she's woken up again now.